How to unlock Apple ID and iCloud account without password. Let's get started. Firstly, use Apple's Forgot Password. For that, launch your settings, click on the Apple ID given at the very top, click on the option Sign In and Security. Now click on the option Change Password and go through the process. You will be asked to verify using your email address, phone number, or other account information. Once verified, simply create a new Apple ID password and you are back in. Method 2. From another trusted Apple device. Got a second Apple device already signed in with the same Apple ID? Perfect. So you'll need to come to this page again. Click on Change Password. You'll be asked to enter the device passcode. Once verified, enter your new passcode and that's it. No recovery delay, no email codes. Just smooth and instant. Method 3. Use iforgot.apple.com. Once you're in this website, click on the option Reset Your Password. Enter your Apple ID email and follow the guided steps. Depending on your setup, you'll either get a code, an email, or instructions to verify your identity. If your account has restrictions or two-factor authentication delays, Apple may enforce a waiting period, sometimes up to 24 to 72 hours. Method 4. Use Tenosure 42 key. If nothing else works, this method can remove the Apple ID entirely. Download and install Tenosure 42 key on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone. Choose Remove Apple ID. Let the tool work its magic. It will reset the device and wipe the Apple ID from your iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can unlock Apple ID and iCloud account without password. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.